let's do this one more time. Day 2. This one. Hey, that's the boy. That jackass neighbor. Fuck them. Hey, oh, what you bringing there, man? Guess what? That light doesn't work. Oh, it was that light first. No, this one doesn't work. Hey, fresh cut, boys. I like it. Nice, smooth, silky. Mmm, that's yummy. Nice. Oh, got some backfire.
Blow by.
Mmm.
Nice.
Good stuff. But take this bitch out again. Pop this bitch. Oh fuck.
You take out these screws right here?
Yeah. There you go. Oh. Under light.
Oh, let me get the light. There you go. Under light.
Let me switch this way. You like that one? It's smooth.
I know, I like it on breakdancing. Hoi. Hey, run it with no front bumper tomorrow?
Hell no. I need it, man.
I would do it.
Oh yeah, we know. Okay, so I'm gonna just. Hey, you think there's a lot of stress coming on the bumper right now?
Yeah, that's why it's Dude, don't put it back up. Put it back up. It's cracking even more now.
Is that fun?
I mean, yeah, damage is already done. Look, it cracked all the way out here now. Bondo? Dude, this looks like it was Bondo's, honestly.
Yeah.
It's okay. This light be on the ground.
Nice. This one.
Hey, can you give us a build breakdown on that?
Alright, so you see here. I gotta switch this around. You got your silencer, right? From BO4. Got your FMJ. And you got your, what is it called? Muzzle brake?
Yeah, muzzle brake.
Nice, right here.
Set.
Yeah. Fuck that. I'm not putting that. Okay. I need one of these. Need some door hinges.
Oh.
This is how I took it off last time. I showed it, but like I didn't like show the process, you know what I'm saying? So what you gotta do, sandwich these right here, you know what I'm saying? Sandwich those.
Mmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Nice.
Set. Oh wow, it's all together? I didn't even notice that.
Wait, let's take this screwdriver.
Oh. Hey, oh.
Hey. Doesn't matter, man. I'm getting a new one.
It's still, man, for tomorrow. For sure gonna be rocking that look. Freaking.
Hey, watch. I'm gonna do that. Okay, put that right there. Shit. Non-shit.
I think it's the other way around.
Non-shit.
Oh, TJ.
Trash? Good. Wait, what is this thing?
Garbage.
Garbage? Not garbage.
Oh, shout out to Calvin.
Calvin. My friend looks like Calvin.
Hey, you should tell him to come over. You should be doing all of this. Calvin does all the work.
Nah, last time I changed his, I helped him change his clutch, right? Oh, this is a pretty long wire.
Wait. Put this right here. Like, mock it up. No, mock this one up. Mock it up. And just stretch the wire.
Yeah, we can fit it. Yeah.
But it's gonna be from the inside, yeah, right?
Yeah, don't matter. Okay, my question. So. Oh, wait, let me take this off.
You have pliers?
Don't need no pliers. I got a flathead. About it. One moment. I'm gonna like pinch it and then pull up. You feel me? Okay, but look at these connections. It's all blacked out, and when I looked at this one, let me look at this one. Okay.
Don't break that one.
Okay. These connections are not black.
So maybe it like blew out.
Yeah. So I think I have to change this whole thing.
No, so this is what you do. You take this
Yeah.
out, and then we just use this.
But first we need to take this out. Let's
No,
see.
no. If this does this connect into this? No, so take this, unscrew this.
No, but this is not gonna work because this whole thing is fried.
But just try it.
That's too much work.
No, we just plug that in and you plug it outside the car.
Okay. So I'm gonna just leave this one. That one there.
You know what I'm saying?
So we got, this smart guy right here. We're gonna test if this stock, I don't know if it's stock or not, but if the stock HID housing whole thing works, well this is a HID housing, but the previous wire to that one, if it works with this new one, to see if this is the problem, so we don't need to change out this whole thing, because this whole thing is gonna be, it's not gonna be fun taking it out.
Be a mission and a half.
And this is pretty short, so compared to this one, so we'll have to see. Well, we got this one plugged in, so now we're just gonna test it from outside the car and see if it works.
Right. So what happened?
So that was a fail. Didn't work. Now we gotta resort to actually fitting it in.
Finagling.
Watch it be this wire.
It is that white. No.
We didn't connect it.
Oh my god! Oh! Put it back. Are you serious? Oh my god!
We're gonna go check it. Hey, did you record it on me looking it up? Okay, we're kind of hyped right now, cause that was a problem. My fucking shit ass housing. Bam! Ah, fuck. Wait, do I need new headlights? Yeah, I do. Yeah. Yeah. Oh! It's working! No way!
I told you, man.
Oh shit!
Hey, let's put the new light bulbs.
Nah, I want to save them. I'm not trying to mess it up, man. These are working right now. I'm not trying to mess anything up.
Turn it off and just put it back.
No, man, this is I'm kind of new.
I got a new flashlight for you, man.
No way. Good. This one's
Put the
working.
meme.
This is working. It's working. It's working. We have 2 videos coming out.
Coming soon.
Oh. We fucked up.
Hey man, I don't want you to get clapped.
Oh.
You break something?
I don't think so. I don't know, honestly.
Alright, I'm gonna go home now.
Hey, hold on, man. Wait until I get clapped and you can go home.
I'm gonna go home.
Oh!
Oh, license plate.
Oh shit.
Okay,
Should I close the hood again?
I wanna do outro.
Okay.
Hey, come here.
Why should I move this one? Because you know,
No, let's get right there.
Do I look light?
Yeah. Got the beams.
So, turn one of these on. Fixed it. So our problem was the HID housing. It was basically fried because water got right here, blew up the whole thing. But as you can notice, this bulb is like way different than this one. I don't know, the person who had it, this has been a car accident. So I think he just completely replaced this one, except for this one, kept it because he probably like hella cheap like that. So, well, but we're getting GTR headlights this Saturday, which is in the next video. Next video. So yeah, you guys can wait on that one. That's gonna be in the next video. And yeah, we temporarily fixed my car so I can drive it at night, go do some skids, and then so don't forget, like, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Because we kind of fixed the problem, you know? This shit has a problem. And yeah, see you.